Hey, what's up, Vechain holder? This is absolutely very important information for Vechain holder and must watch this video to understand better and be safe from loss and get a very good profit now. Let's see whether in this video I will predicate this coin, I will do technical analysis and absolutely what expert says and what's the update and what's the opinion. Everything I will discuss you, so you need to watch this video completely to understand better now. So first of all, we need to see, my friends, the update of Vechain coin. So the update is very simple. You can see here last 1 hour you can see minus 2.91% they are lost, and last 1 day you can see 20% profit, and last 7 day 25% profit. So my brother, this time the rank as 22 and the market cap you can see here 5 billion and 24-hour volume 1 billion, circulating supply 65 billion and max supply you can see 86 billion and distribution 75.24%. So my brother, this is just only the latest update, and if you can see, my brother, this time the very huge jump, my friends, they will take here now. So everything will change, my friend, here. So this is absolutely, my friend, you can see here one of the fastest cryptocurrencies. Vechain is very good, my friend, and comfortable coin, my brother. They cannot fails down very fastly. Obviously, my brother, when they fails down so very slowly, but when they take a jumps like that, oh my goodness, very urgent and very huge jump. So 34.228% they will profit in last 7 days, and you can see here the price come to 0.08 USD dollar, and I hope they will hit 0.1 USD dollar just in only in 2 or 3 days. It's mean my brothers doing this month. So absolutely my friends, if they will hit 0.1 USD dollar in this month, so they will make you a millionaire now. They will give you a very good profit. So wow, what are you doing, my friend? Why are you doing? Please, you need to hold, and absolutely, my friend, my prediction is going to be positive because the arrows is moving in upward in the last direction. So that's means the coin is completely in the profit. In upcoming time, they also give you a very good profits now. So kindly, you need to hold it, and absolutely, if you have any plan to invest more, so I think this will be very good time with this to you invest now. Invest. I hope they will give you a profit. I will give you guarantee to they will give you a profit. Thanks for watching Vechain holder. Please like videos, subscribe this channel, and also press the bell icon for videos notification. Hope you subscribe our YouTube channel for more this type of informative videos. Allah Hafiz, take care.